The LITC is used as Nike's visitor center, mainly for students coming here to discover both Nike and logistics, sustainability, innovation, and so forth.
Racing Emotion is a company specialized in WMS systems, so warehouse systems. We are bringing real-time software into the warehouses for mid-sized companies. We are working together with Newland since the Corona crisis because they could deliver a good quality device for a reasonable price, and they could deliver at that moment, so it is very important to work with.
Typically, students come from the last year of high school, if you like, or of college and university educations. They come here to learn about Nike as a business case. How is the international business of Nike going? We focus on logistics, obviously, supply chain management, innovation, sustainability, and so forth.
We are here today because we brought our warehouse management system in the Learning Center, because we know that all of the students of Belgium are coming over to here, and they can actually see and work with our software and with the devices of Newland. We found that very important. We wanted to bring the message for there is a digital world. The digital world is directly in the warehouse, and we wanted to show that.
A year ago, one of my students told me, hey, why don't you use barcode scanning? Every company does it, even small and medium enterprises do it now, and there is very user-friendly equipment available. So I went looking for a partner willing to help us. We found Tracing in Motion, who partners with Newlands, and they were willing to help us set it up. We are now, of course, very happy to have these, the warehouse management system and the barcode scanning.
We used the MT90 Orca device in this project because a couple of things are very important for us. We need a real barcode scanning device, and obviously it must communicate in real time to the outside world with the internet to verify a couple of things that are important in the warehouse management system. Now, other than that, the MT90 comes in a couple of form factors, is very handy, and will directly be used by young people.
I love the MT90 Orca. It's a very pleasant barcode scanner to use. It feels like a smartphone. It's a very user-friendly interface, touchscreen. The sounds are nice. It's very robust. Even if we would drop it, we haven't dropped them yet, but even if we would drop them with pupils, that could happen. I don't think they would be harmed. They are very robust and very pleasant to work with.